YouTube, this is Loki Trader. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to create your own MyEtherWallet. This is a fast, quick, and easy tutorial on kind of how to get your own wallet started, and just a few tips here and there to kind of show you how to keep it safe. So what we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and go to Google. And you're gonna type in MyEtherWallet. Cool. Pops up here. All right. Now, when you open up MyEtherWallet, what it does, it gives you some tips. So these tips are pretty much made to give you an understanding that only you are responsible for your security. And I'll kind of give you an explanation of how it's it's pretty simple of keeping yourself secure. It's just making sure that you keep some things private and make sure that they're stored correctly. So we exit out that. So to create a new wallet, what you're gonna do is you're already on the new wallet pane. You're gonna go ahead and enter a password. I recommend a password that's pretty intricate to you, but if you can make it as long as possible, it's much more safer that way. So to create a new wallet, so once we do create it, it's gonna give us a key store file. This key store file is gonna be in a way that we can access our wallet itself. So think about it pretty much as like a key to your car. It's the only way that you can access your car is with your key. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna download it. After you download it, you have to make sure of three things: don't lose it, don't share it, and always make a backup. And when you do make a backup of these files, what I do is I usually put them on a USB. And once I do put them on one USB, I go ahead and put them on two more, just to make sure if one USB fails, I still have two other ones that have the key store file. So what we do is now we understand. We continue. Now what they're going to give us is our private key. This is another key to open our car. So this is another way that you can access your wallet. So you want to make sure that you have it safe and secured. I wouldn't keep this on my computer physically. I'd also keep it on the USB. So you have to make sure, again, with this, don't lose it, don't share it, and make a backup. And also another way to make sure that you never lose this private key, you can print a paper wallet. So this paper wallet, it shows you your address and then it shows you your private key. So it's pretty nice. You can keep this somewhere where you know it's going to be safe. And if something would have happened to those three USBs, they all got rained on or put in the toilet, something like that. I mean, you have this paper copy and you will not lose anything that's in your wallet because you can access it by typing it in. So exit out of that. Now we go save our address. So for us to access our wallet, we're gonna go to the key store. We have our key store. Select wallet file. Type in your password. Unlock. It's gonna take a few seconds. All right, and here is our brand new wallet. So give you a little breakdown. Gives your address. This is the address that you need to put into any kind of exchange, Coinbase, Binance, where you would send your ERC20 tokens or your Ethereum. Here's your private key. You can press a little eyeball and it'll show you what your private key is. Press it again, hides it. Here gives you your balance, your address again. It'll also give you a breakdown of your transaction history of ETH tokens. And here's values of how much money you would have in terms of USD, euros, all that, and then your token balances. So again, just the main points. Make sure you have your private key and key store file, not physically on your computer. That's what I recommend. I'd have them on 3 USBs in case one USB goes wrong. You still have access to your other 2 USBs, and at least print one paper wallet. And last tip, I would make sure I do a bookmark of myetherwallet.com so you know exactly that you are getting to the website every single time. So if you misspelled MyEtherWallet and you go to a random website and you type in your private key, and it's not the actual website, it's gonna be bad. So, but again, I wouldn't use my private key. I would use my key store file and use the password that you have associated with that key store file. All right, guys. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below. And thanks for watching.